Hey guys, this is Dipu. Welcome to the second episode of the new series, In Short. This series of videos will not last more than 2 minutes. So without further ado, let's start. A processor or microprocessor is a small chip that resides in computer and other electronic devices. Its basic job is to receive input and provide the appropriate output. While this may seem like a simple task, modern processor can handle trillions of calculations per second. The central processor of a computer is also known as the CPU or Central Processing Unit. This processor handles all the basic system instructions such as processing mouse and keyboard input and running applications. Most desktop computers contain a CPU developed by either Intel or AMD, both of which use the x86 architecture. Mobile devices such as laptop or tablet may use Intel or AMD CPU, but can also use a specific mobile processor developed by companies like ARM or Apple. Modern CPUs often include multiple processing cores which work together to process instructions. While these cores are contained in one physical unit, they are actually individual processors. In fact, if you view your computer performance with a system monitoring utility like Windows Task Manager, you will see separate graph for each processor. Processors that include 2 cores are called dual-core processor, while those with 4 cores are called quad-core processor. Some high-end workstation contain multiple processors with multiple cores, allowing a single machine to have 8, 12, or even more processing cores. So that was all for today. See you in the next one.